Hey everybody, I just wanted to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Caitlin Witcher. I was born and raised in Douglasville, Georgia. I'm a first grade teacher at Arbor Station, and I also received my undergrad degree from the University of West Georgia in the May of 2017, and I have returned to be a wolf again. I recently got married last year in October, and I have loved every minute of being married. We also recently bought our first house, so the year 2017 was definitely a busy year for us. Most of my time is dedicated to decorating the inside and just making sure the outside looks good of my house. I love spending time with my husband, my family, and my friends. I love teaching because my first grade class is just amazing. Just seeing them grow from kindergartners into first graders and then soon to be second graders is so rewarding for me. And I have the great bunch of kids that just love to learn, love to do things, and are always doing what they want to do, which is so happy for my teacher heart. I love to read Nicholas Sparks books in my free time. And my favorite thing to do usually is just going on vacation with my family and just having a fun and carefree time. In January, me and my husband rescued 2 little dogs, Rogue and Milo, and they are my heart. They are my babies, my firstborns, and they are the world to me. And I just wanted to go ahead and add a cute little slide of my classroom. This year my theme was pineapples, and my kids absolutely love it. It gives me the tropical vibe every time I'm in it, and it just gives me a relaxed feeling. I'm super excited to take this STEM endorsement just because of the way that we are changing in teaching. We are changing the way that we are teaching our kids and the way that they are learning, and just having those hands-on STEM ideals is what I want in my classroom more often than just using old workbooks, old worksheets, and stuff like that. So that is why I'm passionate about STEM. That is a little introduction about me, and I can't wait to hear everybody else's. Have a great day.